Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video is on the OnePlus Wireless Z and the JBL Flip 4. Subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update when I post a video. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So let's first talk about the OnePlus Wireless Z Base Edition. So as you can see, these are the earphones. So the neckband style wireless headphones are very prevalent in India, and many people prefer these kind of headphones because first of all, they're more durable, they're easy to maintain, and they don't get lost easily compared to truly wireless earphones. So I'll break down this review into a pros and cons list. So let's start with the pros. So the first pro of the Wireless Z Base Edition is the amazing battery life. It runs on 2 days on a single charge with extended use, and this is amazing for neckband style designs. The second pro, like the name suggests, Base Edition. So this edition of wireless buds has better bass than the normal edition, and it is very prevalent when you listen to the audio quality. The third pro, the build quality of these buds is very good and has a IP55 water and dust resistance, which means it is also sweat resistant and can use in day-to-day tasks. Also, you can use them while jogging or cycling or any strenuous physical activity. The fourth pro, the audio and call quality of these earphones are pretty good for the price range of 2000 rupees. And if you're in the market for buying new neckband style design buds, the OnePlus Z is the way to go. The Wireless Z Base Edition is very comfortable to wear and contains these magnetic tips so these buds link together and you do not have to worry about them moving around. These buds also contain features that automatically pauses the music when you remove them from your ear or when you link them together. No product is perfect, and the OnePlus Wireless Z Buds Base Edition isn't perfect either. So here's the con list for the above buds. So the first con is multiple device support. You cannot pair these buds to multiple devices. It automatically disconnects the device if you pair multiple devices. Another con of these buds is quick switch. So OnePlus claims that these buds have quick switch, but this quick switch is different from the one on the previous buds. There is no dedicated button for it. But OnePlus claims that with software, they have been able to replace this button. This claim is absolutely false and the quick switch doesn't work at all. So if this is a deal breaker for you, then you should not go for these buds. These buds have amazing sound quality, good bass, are comfortable and excellent to use, and I recommend these buds for under 2000 rupees. So the next product to review is the JBL Flip 4. So the build quality of these Bluetooth speakers are really good. It's extremely robust and built like a tank. So this speaker is completely submersible and contains the IPX7 resistance for water. JBL is known for their amazing sound quality, and this device is no exception. This device has punchy bass, the treble sound good, and the voice sounds really clear. This device also features dual subwoofers on either side. This device also features dedicated buttons to daisy chain many of these speakers together to form a complete stereo setup. JBL is known for their excellent bass, and this device also contains 3 bass modes that can be accessed using the Bluetooth button and the low volume button. If you catch the device now, it is available for 1000 rupees cheaper than it was before for the black variant. Although this speaker is overall a really well-rounded speaker, it also has a con. So the con of this device is the bass mode. So to access the bass mode, you need to press the Bluetooth button and the lower volume button. But in doing so, the Bluetooth headphones automatically get disconnected sometimes. So this is a flaw that JBL should fix in the next variant and introduce a dedicated bass mode switcher button. So guys, that was my unboxing and review of these two products. I hope you liked this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed my video and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.